Hey everyone, David here with Fred Sanford's Vintage Sewing Machine Parts. I'm going to do a really quick video because I have a lot of requests to get to today. Here are a couple of machines we've determined they are parts machines. This is a 158-1031 and this is a 158-1032. Two parts machines. Tension assembly, tension assembly, the door, side cover, the needle plate, thread guide, foot screw, pressure bar top. You know, so you get the point. Some are taken apart already, a lot of them are still on the machine. There's the top covers. Oops. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get to these requests. Enjoy your day.